Hey, welcome to Dr. Slaton Live, the brain's body, the ultimate experience. And we talk about human system science because human system science is new frontier in brain talk. And what we mean by that is it's time to talk about the brain. We're talking about mental health. We're talking about child development. We're talking about the crises of self, how children are born into dynamics that prevent them from reaching their full potential because no one's worried about the sense path, how a child receives contact from another person who's unaware of how to show signs of care for the brain inside the body. And what that means is that we have a lot of children growing up without a sense of feel or care for self and others because they weren't properly introduced to the breath of life. So human system science allows me to study brain, body, and sense events to make sense of. So a child in crises, for example, who's wondering why is this happening to me? Why can't I respond differently? It's because your sense path has been reset. So your receive path is recognized as the brain's funnel for you participating in contact, interaction, cooperation, participation, because any one of those can make you go backwards. Because if you can't make contact positively, then how do you interact cognitively, neurophysically, when you have to cooperate? So if you don't know how to cooperate with the contact flow because you're irritated by something internal or something external that's influencing pain, hurt, and sadness, it prevents you from participating in reading, writing, acting, drawing, and performing in program settings, training settings, because you feel uncomfortable. So this is Dr. Slaton Live. Check out the presentation. Hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you on the other side.
Human systems science focuses on the mental health and self-awareness of children, emphasizing the importance of these aspects in their development. The key message is to talk to the child's brain, not the child's body, which emphasizes the importance of addressing the mental and cognitive aspects of a parent's contact and interactions with his or her brain. For instance, the new frontier in brain talk is the Brain Talker, which is a brand of science by Dr. Slaton Live from his work with children and families in crisis. The way you talk to a child's brain matters because learning the brain can reduce fear and anxiety of the unknown. When you inform the brain and you can discipline the body to focus the senses, which can make it easier to accept how energy, action, and feelings feel. In addition to this, the author's sciences include self-research, help, and discovery, which helps to comprehend the flow of emotion and the process of thought with acts to reflect on the experience of brain, body, and sense messaging. When you experience a child's brain, you must be more informed about their sense and receive path structures that can accept or reject the experience of you, based on how you lead them to feel you. New release August 1st, 2025. Human Systems Science, in the best interest of the child's mental health and self-awareness. By Dr. Christopher K. Slaton.
And here we go. Hope you enjoyed it. Dr. Slaton Live, the ultimate experience, the brain, body, the brain's body. What we mean is that your brain is the body, and that's why we have to have this conversation. Stay tuned. Dr. Slaton Live, keeping it real, speak the truth, brain talk. How did your brain talk back? No, these are real questions I'm asking you. So when you tune in, check that out. How does your brain talk back? Especially after you met with Dr. Slaton Live, gone through one of his sessions. How does your brain talk back? Do you have a sense of feel? Do you feel a sense of care? Care matters. Because if you don't give a child care, then how do they develop a sense of feel for self that includes you? Dr. Slaton Live, keep it real. Stay tuned.